United Nations Day is an event that celebrates basically the diversity of the world. The students in each grade level, preschool through 8th grade, they learn all about the country, and the event culminates with a celebration, a luncheon, a mass, and then a performance at the end of the day.
We attended the Mass for the Feast of Our Lady of Guadalupe as a school with our parish community, and this event has become more significant because the children have been involved in singing at this Mass for the past 2 years.
The event was a Lunar New Year celebration. It's important we celebrate all cultures.
It is important to celebrate different cultures because students learn to be respectful and be aware of how unique we all are.
I think these community events help our school all together because it helps the children understand the culture and feel inclusive to it. So if they were to be able to experience this culture outside of school, they'll know and recognize and understand what it is.
Because we're learning so much about diversity and what it means to be from all these different cultures and showing them those cultures. We even have families that are from different countries and they come talk to the kids about their experiences. So it's just really neat and allows us all to kind of connect and see things through different lenses and why different parts of the world are so unique and special.
So it actually sparks a little bit more interest and curiosity. For the longest time, they thought it was mom's crazy ideas. Like mom's telling us to celebrate this way or do that. But when they come to school and they see that they have celebrations here that are similar, it sparks a different type of engagement and interest. They ask more questions. At the same time, they're learning about other cultures. So it almost brings out a love and passion to learn about other people.
I think it's a way for all of the families and even the teachers, the parent, everyone to come together and plan the event. It's also a way to build that community of coming together.
The parents are the ones who are here decorating, they're working with the kids with the performances, getting the food. So they're really the planning of the whole event. So it wouldn't be able to happen without the support and help of the parents.
Everyone on this day contributes in some way. There's so many volunteer opportunities. Each classroom sets up a lunch area, and we have tons of families that volunteer to bring food, to decorate, to prepare. We have families that do hospitality, set up, take down. And so it really takes a team effort, and I think that unites us all because we have to work together as a team. I think it's a great experience for everybody in the community.
Seeing our culture celebrated in front of the school makes me really happy and really proud to be a part of such an inclusive community. It does help that, we're not only having it celebrate culturally at home, but also in school. So we do have a sense of pride in being a part of that culture and being able to share our culture with other people.
I think academically, they're learning about physical geography and facts about their country, but then also spiritually, we really try to bring in our faith, being a lifelong learner, and we try to incorporate that when we are learning about the different cultures, and it opens up the conversation for them to share more about traditions they might have at home and that they celebrate. So yeah, I think they grow not just spiritually, but also academically as well.
We've had many students throughout the years come back, and we had some alumni today even say how great the experience was and how much they love United Nations Day in particular. There are some students from different countries, international students. We had a student from Brazil one year, and he came and he talked all about Brazil and what it meant to him. And I think those type of experiences really allow kids to blossom and kind of connect to the other kids in the class and make their transition a lot smoother.
It impacts both academically and spiritually. Academically, it helps them with curiosity and learning and understanding. It gives them a place to feel safe to ask these questions and know that somebody's going to give them an answer. Spiritually, though, it helps them feel seen and valued for who they are. That in itself helps them grow in every other aspect.
A lot of the values and traditions that were here when I went to school here are very much still alive. Embracing each other's differences, having that faith foundation with each other. I'm still friends with a lot of the kids that I went to school with. A lot of us went to high school together, and then some of us even went to college together. So just having that bond and that lifelong relationship is definitely there.
I think it really allows us to all realize that everyone across the world, we're all God's children. And so that makes us all special and unique in his image, but it also unites us as a whole across the world. So it's a beautiful day.
Celebrating these cultural events ties directly to our faith. We believe respecting the dignity of every person, loving, being compassionate, being understanding of where somebody's coming from and who they are. And so when we have these events, it gives them an opportunity to practice those values.
It's important for schools to celebrate diverse cultures because we are all different. We're made up of different experiences and different traditions and different backgrounds. And as Catholics, we learn to embrace each other's cultures and differences and support one another.
And I think that our children growing up in a diverse community learn to respect one another and acknowledge that we are all part of God's creation, that He's called each one of us to Him, no one more or less than the other.